Chinese Premier Li Keqiang has arrived in Chile for an official visit. Chile is the first South American country with which China forged diplomatic ties and also the first Latin American nation with which China signed a free trade agreement. Upon his arrival, the Chinese premier hailed Chile as a spearhead in developing relations with China in the region. He said the main goal of his visit is to consolidate traditional friendship, deepen mutual trust, and comprehensively promote bilateral cooperation in such fields as trade, finance, industrial capacity, equipment manufacturing, and infrastructure construction. During his stay, the Chinese premier will hold talks with Chilean President Michelle Bachelet. They will also attend an economic and trade symposium on the occasion of the 45th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic ties. China ranks as Chile's top trade partner and largest buyer of copper products.